Welcome to the AZ channel. The white car ran a red light and ended up hitting the other car. Luckily, everyone was okay. The only people inside the car was the driver. Happened in Portland, Oregon.
Wait for your call and go online today to learn more. Ends 9/21/2023. EcoBill and autopay required. New 50 megabits per second camera and security edge customers only. Equipment taxes and fees extra.
Wow.
Oh, shoot.
Oh shit.
Paano galandi?
Oh my god.
Police chase. This accident occurred in Vallejo, California.
Textbooks doing his homework, and I'm outside the playpen trying to get in.
Look to the left and you will see box truck flips. I have no idea how the accident started, only how it ended. Happened in Raleigh, North Carolina. A truck rear-ended a Mustang that stopped for a non-moving car. It happened in Temecula, California. When people don't know how to use the median turning lane, this happened in northeast Kansas. Car taking left turn on red light, Brampton, Canada. Despite having an 18-wheeler block half his view of the road, a truck driver decides to take his chances. It happened in South Carolina. Road rage incident, which resulted in a vehicle accident. This happened in St. Paul, Minnesota. This driver grabbed the company info from the side of the truck and license number and reported it to the Georgia traffic office, but never heard back. A little research revealed it was a one-man trucking company. Guys like that have no business driving on public roads. A moron driving a humongous vehicle decides to cut off through to this car, the merge lane over near Costco in Tallahassee, Florida. If you're gonna drive a humongous vehicle, learn to drive it correctly. Trucker in Nashville doesn't know where to be, so he just runs a car off the road instead. lady that was pulled over launches herself into traffic without checking her blind spot. It happened in Hackettstown, New Jersey.